So for this science experiment, we're going to need 1 bar of soap, a large bowl, and a microwave. We're going to start by putting the soap into our bowl and putting the bowl into the microwave. We are going to determine if this is going to be a physical change or a chemical change. Remember, a physical change is where nothing new is made. It can be a change of state from solid, liquid to gas, but nothing new is formed. A chemical change, new materials are formed. Some signals might include production of gas, lights, sounds, smells. You've made your hypothesis or prediction. Now with a parent's help, you're going to turn on the microwave and see what happens. After about 2 minutes of heating up, the water in the soap, remember, soap is made out of water, fat, and a salt. The water heating in the microwave will come to a boil. It's going to boil and form gas bubbles to make the soap expand. It's still just soap, though. Nothing new is being made. Careful taking it out. The bowl can be quite hot. So the soap is now expanded, but it's still just soap. That is a physical change. It's still just soap, fat, and water, except now the water has changed states.